our project, creating a mural that's full of color and meaning. Let's get to know the artist first. My name Pita and this is my friend Seni.
Hello guys, my name is Pendi and my name Kamil.
Hey, kami is Eli.
My name Ayu. Hey guys, my name Salwan.
Hello, my name is Dani.
And my name is Jika.
My name is Muin.
Hello guys, my name is Pian.
Hello guys, my name is Samsudin.
Hello guys, my name Iqmal and Gigi.
First, we start by dividing tasks and deciding on the mural design. We prep all the materials we need, from colorful paints, masking tape, brushes and paint trays, to rollers. Step 1. Sketching the wall. Then we go over it with black paint. Each team member has an important role here. Check out how we work together to make something cool. We gotta be careful so the paint doesn't get all messy. On the second day, we got into the details, painting with gradients and adding some 3D effects. We had some time left, so we tackled the background too.
Let me be a coffee pot. You call the shots, babe. I just wanna be yours. Secrets I have held in my heart are harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours.
Other classes were making murals too, all around here. The pink color wasn't standing out, so we outlined it with a black marker to make it pop.
But y'all get cold without. I wanna be a steady lotion, hold your hand in deep devotion, at least as deep as the Pacific Ocean.
Kamil.
Held in my heart, harder to hide than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours.
Loh iya, iya.
Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours. Wanna be yours.
We all managed to make something amazing. Thanks to all members for the teamwork and dedication.
Okay guys, we finally finished our mural. Guys, it's simple, but we learned a lot about teamwork and trust. Anyway, I'm out of here. See you all later. Bye guys.
Too high than I thought. Maybe I just wanna be yours. I wanna be yours. I wanna be yours.